Let's talk about those next, because like you said, you've got kind of a core that's built around the data, and then you've got a search that's a layer on top of that, and you've got different applications that can build on top of that. You mentioned observability. You know, a lot of people are also kind of calling that monitoring. There was an interesting statistic from Gartner that the average minute of corporate downtime, so for larger corporations, every minute that your website is down is costing you $5,600. So that rounds out to over $300,000 per hour. Obviously, downtime is incredibly valuable to prevent. And so you're starting to see, as you've mentioned, application performance monitoring, IT infrastructure monitoring, everything is being monitored all the time to try to keep that downtime from happening as much as possible. And just as you mentioned, Matthew, there's so many competitors in this space too, right? We've got New Relic, we've got DataDog, we've got Splunk, we've got PagerDuty, we've got a zillion others. I mean, is there a way that you think about differentiating the competition in this space that makes sense from an investing perspective?
Absolutely. From an investor perspective, especially if you're not technical, aren't hands-on with those products. And I am not. I'm a technologist and an investor, but I'm not hands-on with CrowdStrike's product or DataDog versus New Relic. And so I don't know those distinctions. All I can do is look at the numbers, and it's all in execution and performance of the company. You look at who's got the customer growth, where are the customers going, and where are they having success, looking at the net renewal rates, where, you know, are the customers growing? Are they spending more each year? And then, you know, is revenue growth then following that trend? Profitability is important, but it's not anywhere near the top of my lead right now. I'm interested in those hyper-growth companies that are amassing all those customers. And with the leverage that they inherently have as a cloud-native solution, the profits will come. And so keep amassing those customers, keep spending as much as you can to continue the revenue growth. And as long as margins are not, you know, completely worsening, and the operating income, as long as they're starting to uptrend and you can see where that leverage is starting to be applied, those are the companies I'm most interested in.